Hello, my dear 8th की जनता. How are you? Welcome to your very own BYJU'S 6th, 7th and 8th channel. I'm Saurabh, your physics mentor. And today we are here because today is very important. And last time we missed, yaar, I missed you a lot. I'm telling the truth. I know 8th का session late होता गया. और फिर आज का दिन आया है, right? So welcome everybody. It's a mentee session. Sir, क्यों? Because it's the time for ANTHE. What is ANTHE? आकाश बायजूस नेशनल टैलेंट हंट एग्जाम. क्या ढूंढ रहे हैं हम? टैलेंट. कहां मिलेगा? अरे तुम में मिलेगा, राइट? सो दैट्स व्हाई वी आर हियर. If you haven't registered, you have done a big mistake. But you still have time. Right now, go and register. नीचे description में, right? Hello, good evening. क्या हाल है? I'm clearly audible, clearly visible. फटाफट जरा thumbs up दे दो, emojis दे दो, like press कर दो यार. किसका वेट कर रहे हो? Come on. Hiranya, my name is Saurabh. Hello, Saroj, trainer, Gogoi, Abhiram, Anushka, Neha, Reshma, Nibisha, Saroj, Div plays, Ardh, Anshna, hello, Gen Z. Hello, Aishwarya. Arey wow. There's an Aishwarya sitting outside also. Yes, everybody. I'm good, yaar. How are you? Very good. फटाफट like press हो जाना चाहिए एकदम. कोई you are the senior most grade. You have to set an example for this channel. Come on, like press होना चाहिए, है ना? फटाफट emoji आने चाहिए. Yes, और ANTHE register हो जाना चाहिए. See, if you haven't registered, I'm telling you. See, Akash National Talent Exam. It's very important. क्यों? If in future you want to give any competitive exams, sir Olympiad देना चाहते हो, register कर दो. Future में do you want to give JEE exam, register करो. NEET exam, register करो. Sir क्यों? I'll explain you, but right now कर लो. If you trust me, just go and do it, right? Very good, everything is done. बिल्कुल सुरिंदर होने वाले बहुत जल्दी. Total marks for ANTHE. See, we have 40 questions and 90 marks. Hello, new student, everybody. If you are new, come on, press the subscribe button. यार, what are you waiting for? ANTHE खत्म होने वाला है. इसके बाद क्या है? Olympiads, है ना? See, all these sessions are important for Olympiad also, है ना? Don't think it's just ANTHE. ANTHE is a competitive exam which is equivalent to Olympiads, है ना? ये टक्कर देगा उसको. अभी तैयारी स्टार्ट हो रही है Olympiads की. This is for that only, right? Top 15 questions, good questions, challenging questions, and you will have a lot of fun. That I can promise you, है ना? So everybody, hello दीक्षा. बिल्कुल. अरे वाह, कल एग्जाम है आपका. All the best, all the best. बच्चों, क्यों हो रहा है? What is ANTHE? Let me just give you a very quick motivation. अगर तुमने अब तक कितने लोगों ने रजिस्टर कर लिया पहले बताओ. कितने लोग अच्छा रजिस्टर कर लिया? कितने लोगों ने रजिस्टर नहीं किया ये बताओ. How many of you have not registered for ANTHE yet? कितने लोग अभी भी सोच रहे हैं सर दूं कि ना दूं? Am I prepared or not prepared? मेरे से होगा कि नहीं होगा? फेल हो गए तो क्या होगा? घर वाले क्या बोलेंगे? पता नहीं कोचिंग मेरे लिए बनी है कि नहीं. I don't know if I want to give JEE or NEET. कितने लोग हैं जो कंफ्यूज हैं? जल्दी बताओ. Yes, everybody? Already registered? Very good. हाँ, ANTHE लास्ट डेट में हसूजा. Yes, you can. But online registration closes 3 days prior to the date of exam. Means today is 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th. For 9th exam, today is the last date, right? So for 15th exam, 12th would be the last date. After that, you can't give. ठीक है? Come on, everybody. If you are confused, go ahead, बच्चों. ANTHE, it's a very, very, very important exam. Sir, why? 100% scholarship. Sir, in what? See, Akash is a good coaching. If not best, I'm not bragging a lot. If not the best, but it's a good coaching, है ना? It gives equal टक्कर. It gives equal competition to all the good coachings in India, है ना? In that, you have a chance to gain 100% scholarship. That is one. Sir, I don't care. ठीक है, it's okay. Not a problem. Second motivation. Win a trip for National Science Expedition. Sir, what is this? This is a trip all over India in good planetariums and museums. बहुत अच्छा exposure है, fully funded trip है. Second motivation. Sir, I don't care. मेरे को घर से नहीं निकलना. ठीक है. Cash rewards. Sir, क्या करेंगे पैसे का? छोटी सी उम्र में, बाली उम्र है. What I will do of all these cash? It's okay. Not a problem. All India rank. This is the most important thing. Sir, I don't care about coaching. I don't want to go to JEE. No need. If you don't want to care about anything right now, at least give yourself some challenge. Go and participate in an all India test, a good exam, and this is one of that. All India rank मिलेगा, report card मिलेगा. You will get your difficulty wise scorecard, how you performed, where are you lacking. ये सब चीजें you can understand by giving this one test. India में क्या stand करते हो तुम, right? So all these things, and it's free. It's free. That's the reason I'm telling you, go and register. कुछ नहीं होगा ना, तो at least you will learn something new and you will have a chance to sit in a good all India level exam. Go and register right now. The link is in the description. More पे click करो, register करो अभी के अभी, because it's the end moment. ये end game चल रहा है, इसके बाद मौका नहीं है भाई. ठीक है, fine. With this, we all are here to prepare for ANTHE, Olympiads, maybe some other competitive examinations, right? That's why today we'll do 15 questions. Syllabus for grade 8th is 4 chapters in physics. कौन सा? Force and pressure, friction, sound, and chemical effect of electric current. Right? Everybody, are you ready? Umi, Nikki, star artist. Yes. Hello, Krishnadas. Very good, yeah. Very good. Welcome to the channel. Press the subscribe button right now. Ooh, yes. I'm going to start now, everybody. The Menti code is on your screen. This is the Menti code. Sir, what is a Menti? Menti is masti, Menti is fun, Menti is a lot of learning. What is it? It's a website. Go and open www.menti.com. Press the enter. A website will open. It will ask you for a code. And code is given to you over here. 28367078. Fatafat, go and register, because I can see 148 people on the live session right now and only 95 players on Menti. At least 120 though we have to touch. Come on. और उससे पहले let me just take a quick like check. ये target पूरा हुआ तुम्हारा? 150 like का target है तुम्हारा today. Minimum 150 like. मैं घर नहीं जाऊंगा नहीं तो. सर आप रात भर यहीं रह जाओगे. हो सकता है. But still, I know you will not make mistake, right? Only 66 like यार, क्या कर रहे हो? Come on. ऐसे तो नहीं होना चाहिए. Yes, come on, press the like button right now. Come on. Science, math, equal marks. Equal marks will be there. Don't worry. Come on, everybody. Menti code Sushma is 28367078. Written over here. Yes, start. Bacho, I'm just waiting for your friends to join. See, if I start and people join late, they will be at a disadvantage, no? है ना? बोलेंगे सर हम late join किए थे, number कम रह गए, points कम रह गए. I'm just waiting for your friends to join. Come on, everybody. Are you ready for ANTHE? कैसा लग रहा है? How are you feeling for ANTHE? Feeling confident? थोड़ा सा, little bit. Feeling confident? थोड़ा सा अच्छा लग रहा है? Come on, whatever we have done. I know time was less, but still, are you feeling good? Because whatever we have done, it's next week we have mock papers, by the way, है ना? Yes, है ना? Excited? Very good. थोड़ा सा. Nice. Very good. Very excited. Little. Nice. नहीं. Demotivated नहीं होना जानवी. Come on यार. Very good. MCQ type? Yes. कहा. MCQ type एकदम. Hello Shreya. Very good. Very good. You are the rabbit. All right. Everybody, we have 131 players, which means we can start. But still, the like target is not complete. Only 91. 100 से पहले तो चालू नहीं करूंगा मैं. I will not start before 100. अब तुम चाहे जो बोलो. सर क्या कर रहे हो? Like के लिए नहीं. I love my team. I don't want to see my team struggling with sir. इतनी. Do you see all these questions? They are not easy to find. बहुत सारे questions खुद बनाने पड़ते हैं. You have to search all the Olympiad previous year papers and the previous year papers. सबको solve करना पड़ता है. Then you get these questions. अब वो team जो इतनी मेहनत कर रही है, ऐसे तो नहीं जाएंगे हम घर. Come on everybody, जल्दी, फटाफट. 101 हो गया क्या? अरे वाह, शगुन का है. बहुत अच्छे संजय. I will start now. चलो everybody, first question on your screen is now. आ जाओ. भाई first question says कि which of the following force is always attractive in nature? सर क्या लड्डू क्वेश्चन पूछा है आपने? I know. First question है ना? Come on, warm up. Which of the following force is always attractive in nature? Electrostatic force, gravitational force, magnetic force, both electrostatic and magnetic force. In this question, more than 100 people should get the right answer. Come on, confidence मिलेगा यार, मेरे को भी अच्छा लगेगा. Yes, everybody. Tomorrow is your ANTHE. आ रहे all the best. फोड़ गया ना एकदम, डरना नहीं एकदम. D 1.24 seconds. Ooh, nice. Nice. Very good, very good. 40 questions, 90 marks, equally distributed. 106. Ooh, nice. But see, magnetic force, electrostatic force, they can repel each other. Sir, how? Like poles do not like each other. Like charges do not like each other. They repel each other. Who? Right? Unlike charges attract, unlike poles attract, but gravitation force में two masses will always attract each other. This is the gravitational force. Always attractive. It will never do भेदभाव. ये नहीं बोलेगा तुम दूर जाओ मेरे से, ये बोलेगा मेरे पास आओ, कम, है ना, ठीक है। ग्रेविटेशन फोर्स इज ऑलवेज अट्रैक्टिव। वेरी गुड। चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, लेट्स सी फटाफट। सेकंड क्वेश्चन सेज कि भाई the ratio of loudness of two sound waves A and B is 2:3. If the amplitude of sound A is doubled and amplitude of sound B is halved, find new ratio. This concept is there in your grade 8 CBSE, but not the formula. This question you might know or you might not know. If you make a mistake, you will learn something new. Come on. Yes, Rani, I just told you 40 question, 90 marks. Yes. एंथे का रजिस्ट्रेशन कैसे करना है बच्चा? इस वीडियो के ना नीचे एक मोर लिखा हुआ है, यू क्लिक ऑन द मोर एंड उसके अंदर आपको मिलेगा रजिस्टर फॉर एंथे, यू क्लिक ऑन दैट, बस हो जाएगा। उसमें डिटेल्स भरनी होंगी, दैट्स इट। गॉट फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग अंश, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम यार, इट्स ओके, you will come back, you are a fighter, you will come back, don't worry, come on, everyone has voted and let's see how is अरे nice, majority किधर है? I'm really happy. Listen to me बच्चों, see we all know sir pitch is related to frequency. Do you know this or not? Tell me, do you know this? Sir, pitch is related to frequency. If frequency increases, pitch increases. If frequency decreases, pitch decreases. Okay. You also know that loudness is related to amplitude. If amplitude increases, loudness increases. If amplitude decreases, loudness decreases. But what is the formula? Let me just tell you, right? Let me just tell you. In my sessions, I have told this to you, but this is not actually in your grade 8 CBSE syllabus. Slightly higher, but you can learn. ICSE students learn it. ICSE वाले बहुत extra पढ़ लेते हैं वैसे तो। सुनो, देखो, loudness is proportional to amplitude का square. Let me change the color because I think this color is not very good ना। देखो, loudness is proportional to amplitude का square, right? Now think about it. Your question is saying the ratio of loudness of two sound waves A and B is 2:3. Means loudness of A upon loudness of B is equal to 2:3. Okay, sir. Which means this is equal to, sir, amplitude of A ka square upon amplitude of B ka square. All right. Construction. It's okay. Right? If amplitude of sound A is doubled, before you do this doubling, first of all find A upon AB. First of all, you need to find A upon AB, na? Then only you will double, right? Okay, sir. Okay. So what will it be, sir? Amplitude of chalo. Yes. Amplitude of A upon amplitude of B will become under root 2 upon under root 3. What did we do? Nothing. We just took under root that side. Bhai, ye square hai na? Simple. Okay, sir. Okay. Tell me, is this clear? No problem in this. You got wrong. It's okay. That's not a problem. See, every mistake will teach you something new. Believe in that. Come on. Voice problem है क्या थोड़ा सा? बच्चा थोड़ा सा कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है यहाँ पे. It's okay. है ना? क्लियर ना एकदम? बहुत बढ़िया. अरे नहीं अंश यार, रिलैक्स. मैं बता रहा हूँ, गलती से डरना नहीं. If you are going for competition exam, any exam, डरना नहीं है गलती से. Every mistake you do today is a boon for you. बता रहा हूँ, every mistake you are doing today, it's a gift for you. Take it. है ना? सुनो. So amplitude of A upon amplitude of B is equal to root 2 by root 3. बहुत अच्छे सर. It is saying sound A का amplitude is doubled. Okay. Sound A का amplitude is doubled. All right. So I can say that amplitude of A is equal to 2 root 2. Okay, fine. Amplitude of B is halved. Okay. Amplitude of B is root 3 by 2. Okay, sir. Okay, fine. I agree. है ना? This is fine, no? I'm doing nothing special. I'm just following the question, right? Okay. Find the new ratio of loudness. All right, sir. New ratio of loudness. So loudness of A upon loudness of B will be how much? Sir, amplitude of A का square, which means ये वाला, है ना, dash कर देते हैं इसको, है ना, right, upon amplitude of B का square. Very good. So what do you to do? Simply, sir, 2 root 2 का square upon root 3 by 2 का square. Simple, है ना? If you solve this, let me erase some of the things, है ना? I'm just erasing this. इसको हटा देता हूँ. Let me erase this. I need space यार, थोड़ा जगह बनानी पड़ेगी, right? Now, if you just solve it, what do you get? Sir, 2 root 2 square means 4 into 2 upon root 3 by 2 का square is 3 upon 4. So what are you getting? Sir, 4 will go up. 4 4 16. 4 into 4 into 2 upon 3. So what do you get? 32 is to 3. And that, my friend, is the correct answer. Got it? Yes. Umi, Nikki, listen to me. Bacha, loudness of two sound is in the ratio 2 is to 3. So loudness of A upon loudness of B is equal to 2 is to 3, means amplitude of A upon amplitude of B is equal to root 2 by 3. Loudness is proportional to amplitude square, right? So from the loudness ratio, you can find the amplitude ratio. Then simply multiply with 2 amplitude of A and divide by 2 amplitude of B. Simple. कुछ नहीं करना है, एकदम question को follow करो. Simple, right? है ना? Is this clear? Simple solving है. Everybody, you can do it on your own. If you are facing difficulty, go ahead, watch this question again. You will do it, है ना? Yes. इतना बड़ा, अरे नहीं. See, this question or this solution looks big. मैं तुमको बताऊं? Let me tell you, if I was solving this question, how I would have done. Loudness of A is to B is 2 by 3 ना, ठीक है. Amplitude of A upon A B हो जाएगा कितना? root 2 by 3, ठीक है. A is doubled, 2 root 3 upon B is halved, root 3 by 2. Find the amplitude. अच्छा, okay. New ratio of loudness, square कर दो. This is how I would have solved if I was doing in a competitive examinations. ठीक है, fine. This will come with practice. Sir, आप तो रोज करते हो. You are right. आप भी रोज करोगे तो हो जाएगा, है ना? Come on, yes, है ना? Very good, very good. Come on, आगे चलते हैं भाई. Let's move forward. Question number 3 on your screen. बिल्कुल क्रिस्टल क्लियर ना, बहुत अच्छे. 4 month पहले कुछ पूछा था क्या? I'm really sorry, I might have forgotten. You can ask me again in the comment section of this video. ठीक है, ऐसे मत याद दिलाओ यार, मेरा टेस्ट मत लो. The bulb does not glow in the setup. Which of the following liquid is possible in beaker? Bulb is not glowing, है ना? Which liquid is possible? Lemon juice, tap water, vinegar, vegetable oil. Simple question. Come on. Yes. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल डेडली गेमर बताइए. Menti code is 28367078. Everyone has voted, huh? A. Oh, it's okay. You will get it back. Don't worry. Yes. Very good. Vegetable oil. See, you tell me. Bulb will not glow. It means this liquid is what? Bulb is not glowing, which means this liquid is what? Conductor or non-conductor? Yes, very good, Ansh. It's an insulator, है ना? It is a non-conductor. अब you tell me, lemon juice has citric acid, becomes a conductor. Tap water has impurities, becomes a conductor. Vinegar has acetic acid, becomes a conductor. Vegetable oil is an organic solvent, no ions, no conduction. Bulb will not glow. Simple, एकदम, right? है ना? This is from Chemical Effect of Electric Current. I asked you to watch one shot, है ना? It's a small one shot. Please watch it, okay? Very good, very good. Nice. 1/3, nice, yeah. We have 15 questions. There is enough time. Relax. डरने का नहीं. If you have battery with unknown terminals, then to find polarity of terminal, you may use. This is an NCERT question, you know. If you have battery with unknown terminals, then to find polarity of terminal, you may use what? Lemon, mango, potato, onion. सर सेशन है कि सब्जी का मार्केट? Is anybody, किसी को, nobody is thinking like this, no? Sir, is this a session or vegetable market? This is chemical effect of electric current. Yes. Leaderboard will come after 5th question and 10th question and 15th question. कर दिया? Yes. Potato. हमारा potato. All right. Nice. 93 p. You guys are amazing here. Very good. Brilliant here. I love you. देखो, listen to me. बच्चों, this is an NCERT activity actually. If you take a battery, and you know what, you can try this. You can try this at your home. Believe me. You just need one cell. कोई भी cell. Battery वाला ना, वो pencil cell you can say. You can use any cell. Positive terminal पे you put a wire. Negative terminal you put a wire and insert those two wires in a potato. You know what will happen? The positive terminal of battery will make the potato greenish in color. Why does it happen? Sir, because of potato there is starch, है ना? There is conduction happening. So electrons are moving here and there. These electrons, when they react with this positive wala terminal, they create a greenish compound. Right? This greenish compound gives the green color. It forms on the positive terminal. So wherever you see the green color, that is the positive terminal of the battery. Simple activity you can do at your home. ठीक है? Right? है ना? Very good. चलो आगे चलें. Ready? Question number 5. Hello. Naman. Welcome, welcome. Misclick, it's okay. Everybody, misclick is yes. I know, but see, train accidents are horrible. Yes, very unfortunate. True. आगे बढ़ें, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. चलो आगे चलें. Question number 5 on your screen. Come on your mark. The bulb of a tester glows brightly for A, dimly for B, and not glow for C. Choose the incorrect statement. Choose the incorrect statement. I'm telling you. Half of you might click on correct. This is a hint only you can consider. Choose the incorrect statement. गलती नहीं चाहिए. Read the options carefully. I'm telling you, you might make a mistake if you're in a hurry. जल्दी में गलती नहीं, हड़बड़ी में गड़बड़ी नहीं चाहिए. Come on. Liquid A is better conductor than B. First option. Liquid B is better conductor than liquid C. Second option. Liquid C is poor conductor. Last option. Liquid B is better conductor than liquid A. Simple question. है ना? अरे, really sorry to hear about your grandfather. अरे, Anshu, take care, बच्चा. It's very unfortunate. Really sorry. Yes. 71 people have got the right answer. हाँ, MP Gautam. Yes. My voice is not clear, is it? It should be clear, no? All right. Liquid B is better conductor than liquid A. You are right. See, if bulb of tester is glowing brightly, what does it mean? That liquid A is the best conductor out of these three. If it is glowing dimly for B, it means, sir, B is a conductor but not as good as A. If it does not glow for C, C is the poorest conductor out of these three. है ना? Right? So, first option, liquid A is better conductor. This is true. Liquid B is better. That is also true. Option C, liquid C is a poor. That is also true. Liquid B is better. This is wrong. Liquid B is not a better conductor than A. So this statement is wrong and that is why it is the right answer. As simple as that, right? Okay? Right? Let's see the mark in a hurry. It's okay, I told you. Option नहीं दिखता है. Yes, take Menti में देखो. In Menti option will be very clear. On YouTube it might look small, छोटा छोटा. अरे वाह, पूर्वी बच्चा special shout out. Nice. Fastest. ओहो, क्या बात है. Parikshit on second. Dhaneshwari on third, Gauri on fourth, Kapish the pro on fifth, K on sixth, a John Matthew. Oh, you didn't get time, huh? A John Matthew on seventh, Champ eighth on eighth, Gungun on ninth, and Naman on 10th. We still have 10 more questions. Come on. The game is on, the learning is on. You just need some more attitude, some more confidence. Abhi bhi ho sakta hai. Don't you worry about that. And everybody else, बच्चों, leaderboard is nice. But learning is more important. अगर कुछ सीख रहे हो अच्छा, कुछ नया, that is the best thing. Question करने हैं, गलती हो रही है, बहुत ही अच्छा. Be happy. आज गलती हो रही है, मतलब बहुत अच्छे. I will not repeat it. ठीक है? Fine. चलें, आगे चलें. Let's do it. Question number 6 on your screen. Let's see. बिल्कुल. आदित्य हो सकता है बच्चा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Sixth question says, tin cans used for storing food are made by electroplating dash onto dash. Tin cans में किसकी electroplating किस पे होती है? They are made by electroplating dash onto dash, right? Iron on tin, tin on iron, chromium on iron, iron on chromium. Come on, simple question. Slightly late, yes, you're right. Good evening. B, huh? Easy, eh? Right, you're right, it's very easy. Come on. All your tin cans, soda, cola, right? Nowadays, तो we are getting ये कितने juices आते हैं tin cans में ना, right? Everyone has voted. देखिए जरा. You're right. See, the can is actually made of iron. It's not made of tin. But they do a plating of tin on iron so that it does not corrode, to make it more inert, है ना? To make it more stable. खराब नहीं, rusting नहीं होना चाहिए उसमें, right? So that it should not rust. Iron would rust normally, right? So that's why tin kind of makes the iron less susceptible to rust, you can say. Fine. चलो आगे आओ. Question number 7 on your screen. Hello Yashwinder. BYJU'S books. MP Gautam, go and get the app. App pe everything is available. Books, if you are saying, I'm not very sure which books, you can tell me in the comment section. I'll reply you back. Okay. Everybody, this is a very good question. ANTHE level question. All are ANTHE level. This is a thoda moderate to difficult level. Blocks are moving with constant speed under the effect of forces on identical rough surface. Surface is rough. Question is telling you. Don't overthink. Blocks are moving with constant speed under the effect of forces on identical rough surfaces. If mass of A, this is mass of A, is less than mass of B, is less than mass of C, then F1 equals F2 equals F3, first option. Second is F1 is more than F2 is more than F3. Third option, F1 is less than F2 and F2 is more than F3. Third option. Last option is F1 is less than F2 is less than F3. अच्छा question है. This question will teach you a lot of good stuff which class 11th people kind of struggle with. And I'll teach you in a way you will understand. Pakka. It's okay, glitch. Too late. It's okay, not a problem. 45 people still got the answer. I'm very happy. Now listen to me, everybody. How many of you thought these guys, F1 equals F2 equals F3, how many of you guys thought that if these blocks are moving with constant speed means net force is zero? I mean, how many of you thought that force would be zero if these are moving with constant speed? कितने लोगों ने सोचा था कि सर constant speed का मतलब होता है कि force zero, न्यूटन का first law, है ना? If force is zero, acceleration is zero, body will move constant speed. कितने लोगों ने सोचा था? जल्दी बताओ. Yes, Arya, you can. What was your date chosen before? If it is 3 days before, I think you should be. Go and try for edit details. Listen to me, bachcho. There is friction, right? There is friction. Newton's first law says a body can move with a constant speed when net force is zero. In all these three bodies, friction is always there. Bhai, on A, on B, on C. This is C, this is B, this is A. Friction is always there. Sir, why? Rough surface hai na. If all these blocks are moving in this direction, hai na, all these blocks are moving in this direction, friction would be acting backwards. Hai na? Friction would be acting backwards. Correct? Jaldi batao. Tell me. Yes? Yes or no? Nahi sir, evil. Abhiram, it's okay. It's a good marks. Right? So friction is there. Sir, then blocks, if they have to move with constant force, you tell me something. If they have to move with constant force, the force should be equal to what? You tell me. The force should be equal to what? Come on. Aztec. Nahi yaar, this question was good question. For 8th class, it's a very good question. It's okay, Anushka, not a problem, bacha. Should be equal to 0. Nahi. Should be equal to? Yes. Oh, nice. If you feel it's easy, means you are very well prepared. Nice. Frictional force. Very good. Net force needs to be 0, right? Constant speed means, sir, net force needs to be 0. You have figured out that there is already friction working on these three. Now, these forces, if they become equal to friction, your body can move with constant speed, right? Now, you tell me something. If mass of C is maximum, mass of C is more than mass of B is more than mass of A, you tell me, the frictional force will be maximum in which case? A, B or C? If you answer me, this question is done. Come on. It's okay, I know. Come on. C, right? C. If mass is more, means weight is more. If weight is more, means friction is more. In a heavy body, friction will be more, na? Right? So friction is more in C. This is more in C. In B, friction is less. In A, friction is least. And forces are equal to their frictional force. F1 is equal to frictional force of A. F2 is equal to frictional force of B. F3 is equal to frictional force of C. If frictional force of C is maximum, means F3 is maximum, right? So what did we gain? Sir, F3 is more than F2 is more than F1. If friction is more, you need more force to make it equal to the friction so that your body can move with constant velocity. C के case में you will have to apply more force to make it move at constant speed. है ना? Yes. Clear हो गया? जल्दी बताओ. It was an easy question. I understand. If you feel it's easy, means you are very well prepared in friction. I'm very happy. गलती हुई कोई बात नहीं. Did you learn something new? Is this question clear? Crystal clear ना? Very good. चलो आगे आओ. Right? Question number 8 on your screen. Question 8 says, again, good friction question. Two blocks A and B are arranged on rough surface. A and B are arranged on rough surface. Okay. Two forces are applied on block B as shown. If the blocks move with constant speed, then 4 options. First option says, direction of frictional force on lower surface of block A is along F. I gave you a trick last time, if you remember. Second option says, direction of frictional force on lower surface of block A is along 2F. Third option says, direction of frictional force on block B is along 2F. Last option says, no frictional force is acting on block B. Come on. This is also a nice question, because see, if this question and last question, if you are able to solve these two questions, I can guarantee you, friction से ANTHE में इससे मुश्किल question नहीं आएगा. You will not get a difficult question than these two in ANTHE. I can guarantee you that. These are like the toughest previous year questions of ANTHE. Yes, come on. Arey, it's okay, Arshi. Oof. All right, wrong. Everybody, how many of you were able to understand the question? First of all, you tell me. कितने लोगों को question समझ में आ गया था? At least question was clear. If not, tell me right now. जल्दी बताओ. अरे वाह, साक्षी, all the best. है ना? Question was clear ना? Tester, Aditya, tester is a device you use to check if current is flowing. कुछ नहीं है. अरे घर में tester नहीं होता? वो small screwdriver वाला, you put it, bulb जल रहा है, tester, that is a tester, है ना? Right, very good. Now listen to me, बच्चों. Let me explain this question to you. See, two blocks A and B are arranged on rough surface, and two forces are applied on block B as shown. If the blocks move with constant speed. Okay. I told you a trick. If you remember, how many of you remember the trick I told you to solve friction questions? Last session में I told you a very important trick. This is something I teach to all my class 11 students also. लेकिन this trick is brilliant. बहुत सही trick है. क्या है? First of all, you tell me. Sir, net force on B will be that side or this side? You tell me. On left or right? Net force on B will be left or right? Yes, come on. It's okay, Ansh. Come on. है ना? Left, left, left. Sir, why? By 2F that side and F that side. Sir, F is smaller, 2F is bigger. So net force on B is that side. Okay. If there was no friction anywhere, अगर friction नहीं होता, क्या होता? If there was no friction, block B would have moved that side. Yes or no? Tell me, come on. If there was no friction, block B would have moved that side. Yes or no? जल्दी बताओ. Aztec, I'll explain you. Yes or no? जल्दी बताओ. है ना? If there was no friction, block B would have moved that side. This will give you where the friction will act on B. Friction will act on B in this side, right? If B wants to move there, friction will act this side, na? So you can say friction on block B will be on F side. Look at the option. Direction of, third option देखो, direction of frictional force on B is doing along 2F. Wrong. Direction of frictional force on B is along F. यहाँ पे, यहाँ जल्दी बताओ. Is this clear? Is this clear? Tell me first. Is this clear? Right? Direction of friction on B will be this side. Clear or not? Come on. 7 before I'll tell you. Right? Crystal clear? Very good. Now let's come to A. For A, I might need some prop. क्या उठाऊं? Let me take this. Let me take this. चलो ठीक है. Now you tell me. If there is friction between B and A, है ना? If there is friction between B and A, I am unraveling the question to you. If there is friction between B and B is moving that side, where will A move? अगर A और B के बीच में friction है, B wants to go over there like this. If this is B, I am pushing B that side. क्या होगा? A will move left or right? A wants to move left or right? You tell me. जल्दी बताओ. Right? Stay. Imagine करो कि यहां पर friction नहीं है. Imagine that below A there is no friction. Right? Imagine below A there is no friction and there is friction between B and A. So when you push B, it will take A with it, no? है ना? Because between B and A there is friction and here let's say there is no friction. Let's say below A there is no friction. If you push B that side, A will also move with it, no? ऐसी तो होता है. Try करना. ऊपर से कुछ रख के if you push B, A will also move with it. Right? Yes or no? जल्दी बताओ. So at least you understand कि sir A wants to move that side. Now bring friction. This is the logic. पहले imagine करो friction नहीं है, फिर friction को लेके आ जाओ. So this will tell you, sir, if friction was not here, अगर यहाँ पर friction नहीं था, if friction was not present here, A would have moved that side. But if friction is here, A will have friction in which direction? This direction. Look at the option. Direction of frictional force on lower surface of block A is along F. Yes, sir, that is true. जल्दी बताओ. बाल आ रहे हैं क्या मेरे? अरे आते हैं. बाल यहाँ छोड़ के बाकी हर जगह आते हैं एकदम. But I don't like. मैं हटा देता हूँ. Aditya, listen to me. See, if B had no friction, B wants to move that side, है ना? B वहां जाना चाहता है. B wants to move that side. It means friction is going to act on B in opposite direction. Friction wants to oppose the motion, right? Relative motion. So B wants to move that side. Friction between A and B will want to stop B. So friction on B will act this side. Okay. Now, if there is friction between B and A, if there is friction between B and A, and you push B, यहाँ मान लो friction नहीं है. Imagine there is no friction over here. If you push block B, A will also move along, है ना? अगर आप B को push करोगे, then A will also move along. इसका मतलब, sir, A wants to go that side. If friction is there, then friction will वर्क दिस साइड ऑन ए। यही लॉजिक है, सिंपल, क्रिस्टल क्लियर, बढ़िया एवरीबॉडी। अच्छा हरदयाल, दिस इज इट्स अ मेंटी सेशन फॉर एंथे, 4 चैप्टर्स, फोर्स एंड प्रेशर, फ्रिक्शन, साउंड, केमिकल इफेक्ट। क्लियर? जल्दी बताओ, आई कांट डू बेटर देन दिस, जल्दी बताओ, क्लियर हो गया? अरे नहीं यार, हो जाएगा, डोंट वरी। ओके चलो, see these 2 friction questions were like the toughest friction questions possible for ANTHE. I'm telling you, इससे मुश्किल क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा। अगर ये 2 क्वेश्चन समझ गए, you are very much ready for friction in ANTHE। ठीक है, चलें आगे, shall we move forward? Come on. रेशमा, नहीं, we have how many likes? We have I think 100 plus likes. I think so. We have 136. I mean, it's still less, but 136. Target is 150 by the way. Like press कर दो भाई, 150 होने चाहिए कम से कम. Hey, this is a very simple question here. Come on, we have done this multiple times. If same liquid is stored in containers up to different heights as shown in the figure, then which of the following is correct? Container 1, container 2, container 3. And the relation is pressure. Pressure, first option says pressure in 1 is more than pressure in 2, more than pressure in 3. Second option says pressure in 1 is less than pressure in 2, less than pressure in 3. Third option says pressure in 2 is more than pressure in... Arey yaar, you look at the options. Come on. It's a very simple question and every time I am giving you the same question, almost the same question. इससे मुश्किल नहीं हो सकता प्रेशर का क्वेश्चन, I'm telling you. Come on. Menti code, Ajay, it is 28367078. ये सेम आंसर, हाँ प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन है बच्चों. नाइस, कम ऑन. 100 प्लस, ज्यादा मांग लिया मैंने. ओके, 79 gave the right answer, which is correct. See, pressure in liquids depends on what? Sir, density, gravity, and height. Pressure in liquids depends only and only on density of the liquid, acceleration due to gravity, and the height of the liquid, or you can say depth of the liquid, right? So you just have to look at height. Maximum height is for 2h. Next is h. And last is h by 3. So pressure will be maximum in P2. Second number is P1. Third number is P3. Very simple. Shape of the vessel doesn't matter. Size of the vessel doesn't matter. Only and only on density, gravity and height. If liquid is same, if place is same, only height matters. Simple सी बात है एकदम, है ना? Yes. Force and pressure. अरे नहीं, हिमांशु, force and pressure पे हमने बहुत practice करी है यार. Come on. Watch the revision वाला session ना. We have done good questions in that. Right? चलो, आ जाओ. Come on. आगे. Question number 10. Yes. Takshi, I am planning to. All these are important questions for Olympiad also. By the way, I'm telling you, है ना? So next week, don't worry, we'll do Olympiad sessions also. But all this is important for, this is all Olympiad also, right? Come on. Voice of which of the following is likely to have, oh, hey, we have done this question here. In sound revision session, we have done this question. Voice of which of the following is likely to have high pitch? बच्चों, if you are making mistake, मतलब you have not been regular. सच बताना, जिनसे गलती हो रही है. ठीक है सर, कुछ गलती होती हैं, but regular नहीं हो, इसका मतलब we know what is the problem. Guys, be regular to the sessions. No, it's very important. Come on. Easiest question. We have done such a question. अरे नहीं यार हरदयाल, I love. अरे मजा आता है मेरे को. Come on. Nice. A A D D C C C a baby. देखो, सिंपल तरीका बताऊं. Pitch of मेल इज लोएस्ट. आदमियों की आवाज होती है भारी, है ना? राइट? अमिताभ बच्चन. वेन एवर यू वॉन्ट टू थिंक ऑफ पिच, थिंक ऑफ अमिताभ बच्चन. इन मेल्स थिंक ऑफ अमिताभ बच्चन. राइट? ठीक है, फाइन, ऑलराइट. देन कम्स, यू कैन से वुमेन. राइट? वुमेन में यू कैन चूज एनी योर फेवरेट एक्ट्रेस, है ना? यू वांट, यू लाइक आलिया भट्ट, इट्स ओके, यू इमेजिन आलिया भट्ट. दीपिका पादुकोण, इमेजिन दीपिका पादुकोण. नयनतारा, यू इमेजिन नयनतारा. व्हाटएवर यू वांट, राइट? Then think, compare voice of Amitabh Bachchan and Nayantara. हाँ यार, Nayantara has high pitch, है ना? Alia Bhatt has high pitch, right? So women has higher pitch than males. That is fine, है ना? सही बात है. Code है Shelly box 28367078. अब आते हैं बच्चे. Now adults are done. Let's come to kids. बच्चों की होती है pitch high naturally. right? All kids, they have high pitch naturally. Why? Because their vocal cords are small. If your vocal cord is small ना, pitch will be high, frequency will be high. Fine, ठीक है. अब बच्चों के अंदर भी again comparison of boy and girl. Boy pitch will be slightly lower than girl. Highest pitch will be of baby girl. ठीक है. Highest pitch will be of a baby girl. Pitch मतलब right? The shrill. I'm not doing the monkey imitation, okay? The shrill voice, okay? Fine, okay? ठीक है, काफी नहीं है. तो baby girl will have the highest pitch. Why? Smallest vocal cord, highest pitch, highest frequency. ठीक है भाई? Man woman में टक्कर लेनी हो, अमिताभ बच्चन versus आलिया भट्ट. Boy, baby girl. I don't know any child artist, so I'm not just naming anybody. ठीक है? क्योंकि हमारे टाइम के the child artists of my time have become adults now. I remember Darshil Safari was very small kid, but now he's an adult. है ना? Yes, very good. Pitch depends on frequency vibration. Fine. If vocal cords are small, pitch will be high. Baby girl has the smallest vocal cords, means pitch is highest. Next is baby boy, next is woman, and next is man. ठीक है? Fine. Okay. चलो भाई, आगे आ जाओ. Leader board. Let's see. Check the issue. Hanshika, what is the issue? Hello, Ansibran. Naya account. Real monkeys. Oh, Dhaneshwari on first position. And Dhaneshwari, you were fastest. Very good. Then we have Gauri on second position. K on third. Kapish the pro on fourth. John Matthew on fifth. Bhavesh on sixth. Orion on seventh. Purvi Bachcha special shout out on eighth. Parikshit on ninth. And Utkarsh on 10th. Very good. But we have 5 more questions. Everybody tell me, कैसे लग रहे हैं questions? I'm telling you, see, these questions are a good mix of easy, moderate, difficult questions, taking ANTHE paper as the reference. It's a very good preparation for ANTHE. ANTHE क्यों जरूरी है? If you want, कोई भी एग्जाम देना चाहते हो फ्यूचर में, please register for ANTHE. I'm telling you, डेट निकलती जा रही है, फिर नहीं मिलेगा मौका. Fine, register करो. नीचे लिंक में डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक दिया हुआ है, ठीक है? रजिस्टर करो फटाफट. और बाकी लोग लाइक प्रेस करो यार, क्या कर रहे हो, किसका वेट कर रहे हो? एंड प्रेस द सब्सक्राइब बटन. एवरीबॉडी हु इज न्यू, नॉट एवरीबॉडी डज दिस यार. वी वांट यू टू प्रिपेयर फॉर ओलंपियाड्स आल्सो, एंथे आल्सो, एवरीथिंग व्हिच इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर यू, राइट? इफ यू थिंक समबडी कैन डू बेटर, गो अहेड, जाओ मस्त रहो, राइट? बट इफ यू थिंक यू वांट दिस, सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल राइट नाउ और प्रेस द बेल आइकन. चलो, क्वेश्चन नंबर 11th. अरे नहीं यार, डोंट से आई एम बैड. आज मेरा दिन नहीं है. इट्स ओके. आज दिन नहीं है ना, कल हो जाएगा. दिन का यही होता है, कोई दिन होता है, कोई दिन नहीं होता है, कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है? एवरी मिस्टेक टुडे यू नीड टू लुक बैक. आज बच्चों, जिन लोग को लग रहा है सर मेरा दिन बुरा है, आई एम मेकिंग लॉट ऑफ मिस्टेक्स, यू नीड टू वॉच दीज क्वेश्चंस अगेन. उसके बाद सॉल्व देम अगेन, फिर देखना. फाइन, प्रॉमिस. गलती हो रही है, दोबारा सॉल्व करना है, ठीक है? चलो, क्वेश्चन 11th ऑन योर स्क्रीन इज नाउ. क्वेश्चन सेज कि भाई, in which of the following musical instruments sound is produced by beating? 100 plus answer चाहिए मेरे को. I want 100 plus in this question. Come on. Flute, trumpet, drum, एक तारा. गूंज सा है कोई एक तारा, एक तारा. Yes, come on. And कोई song नहीं बोलेगा. In which instrument you produce sound by beating? Come on. Oh, nice. Very good. Percussion instrument, huh? All right. 100 plus, 100 plus, 100 plus, 100. Oh, come on, 100 plus, 100 plus, 100 plus. जल्दी. अरे मेंटी भैया. 109. चलो, अच्छी बात है. लाज रख ली तुमने मेरी, है ना? 109. Very good. See, beating. And whenever you talk about drums, sound of beating drums in all your English poems, if wherever drums come, है ना, जहां भी ड्रम की बात होती है, what is the statement? some character, the character was hearing the sound of beating drums. In Jumanji, dum 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 dum, the sound of beating drums, right? All these are what? Beating drums. So you have to strike on the drums. It's a membrane that vibrates and produces sound. As simple as that. Very easy, है ना? Right? Branch is not showing. Is it? Hanshika, branch class 8th के लिए it's science only, no? Class 8th is only one branch. Yes, come on. Ready? Question number 12th. Decreases with age. Yes, Ansh, you're right. Yes, vocal cords grow as age increases. You're right. Question number 12 on your screen. Electrolyte. Abhiram, electrolyte is a solution which has ions which can conduct electricity. Electrolyte. Simple. Good question. Don't make mistake. I have explained this question enough, but still I see people make mistake in this. In the given figure, pendulum moves from A to B, then B to C, and again back to B from C in 3 seconds. A to B, B to C, and back to B in 3 seconds. Find the frequency of pendulum. तुमने अगर ये solution, ये question कर दिया ना अच्छे से, if you are able to solve this question nicely, means whatever effort I put in the last session, that's worth it. Last session, I remember I spent a lot of time to explain this. Raj, bacha, all teachers are amazing, right? I love all my teachers here. अच्छी बात नहीं है, गुनाह है ये. Come on everybody. अरे क्या हो गया इसमें यार? एक बात बताओ. You tell me something. Look at this question. Listen to me. अरे सुनो तो सही. What am I saying? Pendulum is moving from A to B, B to C, C to B. One oscillation would be if pendulum comes back to A, है ना? And time taken to complete one oscillation is called time period. In one oscillation, क्या होगा? Sir, for one oscillation, sir, A to B, B to C, C to B, and B to A, right? One oscillation is going to be a 4-step process. True or not? Jaldi batao. Yes, Utkarsh, sound chapter. How to go in Menti? Go to menti.com and put down the code. ये जो ऊपर लिखा है ना code, this code. Fine, everybody. Yes or no? One oscillation would be 4-step process. This A to B, B to C, C to B, B to A. Yes or no? जल्दी बताओ. Yes. कुछ सही नहीं हो रहा. अर्शी, relax. Panic नहीं होना. Panic हो गया मतलब गड़बड़ हो गया. Panic नहीं होना. गलती हो रही है कोई बात नहीं. Every question is covering a lot of topic यार. बाद में दोबारा करना हो जाएगा. Right? ध्यान से सुनो, बहुत जरूरी है. Right? Okay. Each step में time taken is same. Right? A to B, sir, 1 second. B to C, 1 second. C to B, 1 second. That is the question telling you. Sir, A to B, B to C, C to B is 3 seconds. Matlab 1 second each. Which means, sir, B to A would be how much? You tell me. B to A would be how much? कितना होगा B to A? This is from sound. Menti has problem, is it? नहीं यार. Shall I open Menti? Come on, which standard? 8th standard. Pushpa. MENTI. Let me open. हाँ जी, code है 28367078. Let's see. Menti. Menti has no problem. No, it's open. It's running, bacha. है ना? Yeah, Menti is fine. 1 second. You are right. It will take equal amount of time in each step. A to B is 1 second. B to C is 1 second. C to B is 1 second. Total is 3 seconds. So B to A would be how much? Sir, 1 second. Simple. अरे चलो. 1 second. So total time in one oscillation will be how much? Total time in one oscillation, that is the time period, will be how much? Come on. अरे श्रेयांश तो के बच्चा कुछ हुआ होगा शायद. I'm sorry. 4 seconds. Very good. 4 seconds. Total time period will be how much? Sir, 4 seconds. And what is frequency? Frequency is 1 upon time period. मतलब sir 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 hertz. Done. एकदम आसान है ना, कुछ नहीं करना. सर ये होता था 1 second. This should be 1 second. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Total 4 seconds is time period. Frequency is 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 hertz. That's the answer. Simple एकदम है ना. बढ़िया question. Easy question एकदम. अरे आदित्य इट्स ओके, कोई बात, अरे गलत हो रहा है बता रहा हूं मैं, डरो मत यार, गलती बड़ी सही चीज होती है गलती, और ये बोलने वाली बात नहीं है सर, ज्ञान मत दो। इन इंग्लिश आई वांट टू ट्राई सर, डोंट जस्ट कीप अस गिव अस व्हाट एक्स्ट्रा मोटिवेशन, नहीं मोटिवेशन नहीं बोलेंगे, व्हाट डू वी से, एक्स्ट्रा ज्ञान पता नहीं, बट आई एम जस्ट सेइंग, सी कहने वाली बात नहीं है, एवरी मिस्टेक टुडे व्हाटएवर यू आर डूइंग नो, it's helping you somehow, so please every mistake, the only thing you have to do, ये नहीं कि सेशन के बाद मस्ती में छोड़ दिया चलेगा घर, एकदम दोबारा देखना क्वेश्चन को, दोबारा सॉल्व करना, आई एम टेलिंग यू इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, ठीक है फाइन, हाँ वेरी गुड, 4 सेकेंड, नहीं अंश, frequency is 1 upon time period, and time period is the time for one complete oscillation. A to B, B to C, C to A is not complete oscillation. It is not a complete oscillation, है ना? Complete oscillation will be when it reaches A again, है ना? Yes? नहीं यार, demotivate क्यों कर रहे हो? क्या बात कर रहे हो? Yes? Girl? No यार, no ignoring. Come on. Question 13 on your screen. Let's see. भाई 13 question बोल रहा है, two tuning forks A and B vibrate with frequencies in the ratio. Easy question. Come on. Don't do any mistake in this. Two tuning forks A and B vibrate with frequencies in the ratio 3:8. अरे मैं भी तो आंसर कर दूं. Amplitude are in the ratio 4:5. Which tuning fork produces louder sound? अच्छा. Yes. मैंने कर दिया भाई आंसर. Everybody. Which tuning fork produces louder sound? Tuning fork A, tuning fork B, both A and B can't be determined. Come on यार. Battery कम, बस हो गया. 2 more questions. Yes, everybody, easy question, huh? No गलती. Offline mode of ANTHE, हाँ, offline is done. बच्चा, offline will not be available now. Online is only available because offline के लिए deadline was 7 days. So I think online is not available. 86, good. एक बात बताओ, you tell me something. What is the use of this? Sir, frequency is 3:8. Amplitude is 4:5. Hey, do we need the frequency wala data? Do we need frequency wala data? Or question is just playing with us? Yes? Right? I have only 13 questions. Yes. Correct. Because I have to explain also, na? है ना? Right? So frequency wala data does not matter, sir. Why? Because loudness is only determined by amplitude. Amplitude में which tuning fork has higher amplitude? Sir, 4:5. अच्छा, 5 वाला has more amplitude. Which one it is? B. Simple. Tuning fork B. For loudness, you only wants to look at the amplitude. Amplitude is 4:5. मतलब 5 वाला will be louder. 5 वाला is what? 5 वाला is B. As simple as that. Easy question एकदम, है ना? चलो आगे आ जाओ. Question 14 on your screen. नहीं, अरे तक कुछ नहीं हो रहा. महेश 15 minutes. नहीं. Done almost 2 minutes. Come on. A motorcyclist rides around the well with a round vertical wall and does not fall down while riding because, first, the force of gravity disappears. Second, he loses weight somehow. Third, he is in this path due to the force exerted by surrounding air. Last, the frictional force of the wall balances his weight. I don't know if you have watched circus. पता नहीं आजकल तुम लोग देखते हो कि नहीं देखते हो. मतलब see, when I was small in my hometown, it was a small town, but every July ना there was a circus organized, and circus में खूब होता था ऐसे, and there was this मौत का कुआं, we used to call it मौत का कुआं. So in that the bike riders would go like zoom zoom zoom. Nice, very good. This is the answer. By reason being, the frictional force is balancing the weight, right? The frictional force is balancing the weight of this rider, है ना? Right? Yes, you're right. The frictional force which is acting upwards is balancing the weight. Simple. बाकी सब तो बेकार ऑप्शन है. All the other options are just ऐसे ही, right? Okay? चलो. Ready for the last question of today. Come on. ऋषभ जी, I am from बिजनौर, यूपी. Come on, मनीषा. नहीं यार, कैसी बात कर रहे हो आप? Geeta, listen to me, bacha. See, bike rider is moving on the wall. Na? Imagine no friction. What will happen? The bike will slip down. Because of friction, bike is staying. Bike is moving like this, yes, but in this direction, if there was no friction, the bike will slip down. Because of friction, the bike kind of don't slip down. Friction is upwards. It is balancing the weight. Simple question ekdam, hai na? Chalo, ready? Question 15th on your screen now. 15th question says कि भाई the frictional force between a 4 kg box and the floor is 15 newtons. Find the force with which it is pushed such that it accelerates at 0.8 meter per second square. You can do this, I'm telling you. Go with the basics. You can do this. Yes. It's okay, Rita. If answers were wrong, no, I just suggest you one thing. Please don't go away from the session once we stop it. Dobara se, whenever you find time, tomorrow maybe, or Sunday, you please watch this session again and solve these questions again. Come on, everybody. This is a good question. Yes. वोट कहाँ करना है? नमन, वोट करना बच्चा मेंटी पे. और मेंटी ये रहा मेरे फोन. अच्छा, अरे मैंने आंसर नहीं किया. ये रहा. Thank you. Yes, thank you, NMHs. Next session, Mannat, will be on next week. Next week, we are doing mock test for you. Complete science. Don't worry. Good. I mean, majority gave the wrong answer, but still, listen to me. You tell me something. If acceleration of the block is this much, what does your second law says? Second law क्या बोलता है? Sir, net force is equal to mass into acceleration. Yes or no? Tell me. Net force is equal to mass into acceleration. Yes or no? जल्दी बताओ. Net force is equal to mass into acceleration. Yes or no? जल्दी बताओ. Yes. Come on. नहीं पूर्वा यार, कैसी बात कर रहे हो? जल्दी बताओ. Yes. है ना? 6 likes more. Come on यार, 6 like तो हो जाएंगे. इतना तो कर ही सकते हैं बच्चे ना. शायद, पता नहीं, आजकल भरोसा नहीं हो रहा बच्चों का मेरे को, राइट? वेरी गुड. नाउ लिसन टू मी. नेट फोर्स F net is equal to, sir, mass of the body is 4 kg multiplied by acceleration is 0.8 meter per second square. तो नेट फोर्स इज कितना? 3.2 न्यूटन. सर, I clicked 3.2 Newton. Oh, sorry, 3.6. 8 4 is 32 na. Right? 3.2 should be the answer. Right? 3.2 should be the answer. But why is it? Let me tell you. When you are pushing this block, है ना? There is this block na. When you are pushing this block with force F, this 15 Newton friction force is acting in which direction? Tell me. 15 Newton friction force is acting in which direction? Right or left? Tell me. The 15 Newton friction force is acting on this block in which direction? Right or left? Come on. जल्दी बताओ. Right or left? Right. 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 If on this block force is acting in this direction, matlab the block wants to move in this direction. Friction will act where? There. Friction wants to oppose the motion, na? Left. Right? Friction wants to act in this direction. This is the friction. Right? Your force should be more than friction if the body needs to accelerate. So what is net force? Am I clear? Your applied force F should be more than the frictional force if the body has to accelerate this side. तो आपका net force पता है क्या है? Your net force is F minus friction. F minus friction is equal to F net. Getting my point? नेट फोर्स क्या होगा? सर, F minus friction. तभी तो body accelerate करेगी, right? Then only body will accelerate. So your F will be how much? Sir, F minus 15 Newton is equal to 3.2 Newton. So F is equal to 15 plus 3.2 means 18.2 Newton. Now you tell me, is this clear or not? Come on. Is this clear or not? Yes. So Rita, listen to me. Second law says net force is equal to mass into acceleration. So net force will be mass is given to you 4 kg, acceleration given to you 0.8 meter per second square. So multiply, you will get the net force. ठीक है. But what is net force? Overall force, na? Sir, what is overall force? You are applying force F in this direction. Friction of 15 Newton will kind of oppose the block, है ना? 15 Newton friction is working in that direction. So what is net force on the block? Sir, F this side, friction this side. Overall force should be F minus friction. That force is equal to 3.2 Newton. Simple ekdam, है ना? Very easy question. What is acceleration? Ansh, acceleration is rate of change of velocity. बच्चा, clear? जल्दी बताओ. I'm telling you, friction के the questions we have done today, they are the best possible questions for any competitive examinations. I can proudly say that. Is it clear? जल्दी बताओ. है ना? Shall we see the leaderboard? एकदम. चलो. Leaderboard, the final leaderboard. क्या बोलता है? The leaderboard says, new changes are happening. अरे वाह, we have Dhaneshwari with 12,478 points on first position. Then we have K on second position, Gauri on third position. Then what do? ये क्या है? Wait a second. अच्छा, Kapish the Pro on fourth position. हाँ ठीक है. वाह, राज यहाँ भी है. John Matthew on fifth position. फिर क्या था? I forgot. Then we have Raj class 7th on 6th position. Sorry, 7th position. Orion on 8th. Bhavesh on 9th. And Purvi Bachcha special shout out on 10th. Kids, I hope you tried all these questions honestly. If you made a mistake, which means you need to just solve these questions again. See, all these are ANTHE level questions. It's okay if you do mistakes. Why? Because now you can do them again and just mend your mistakes, है ना? अपनी गलतियों का प्रायश्चित कर सकते हो दोबारा सॉल्व करके. Go ahead, solve these questions because these are ANTHE level questions. इससे बढ़िया तैयारी इतने कम टाइम में नहीं हो पाएगी. Solve these questions again, दोबारा करना and you will be able to do it, है ना? Yes. Very basic question. I know, Ansh, I know. It's okay, relax, बच्चा. That's why we are here. That's why we are discussing these questions. क्योंकि स्कूल में नहीं होते हैं. I understand. We want to prepare you for something extra. वही चल रहा है यहाँ पे, है ना? ठीक है? So everybody, register for ANTHE right now. सर डर लग रहा है. डर के आगे जीत है. I'm not giving you any slogan of any cold drink company. I'm just telling you कि भाई सच में just overcome your fear. Fail हो जाओगे तो सबसे बुरा क्या होगा? किसको पता चलने वाला है? It's okay. It's a free exam. You are not paying for it. It's a good exam. कुछ सीखने मिलेगा. What is the harm? बुरे से बुरा क्या हो जाएगा? सर फेल हो जाएंगे एंथे में. बस कम से कम क्वेश्चन तो देखोगे. Go ahead. All India level पे it's a good exam. Register right now. There is a link on the description, right? So with this, kids, I would say we enjoyed enough. We solved enough questions. We learned a lot and we'll continue to learn. कैसे? If you subscribe. If you come regularly, you will keep learning. That I can promise you. The whole team can promise you, right? Keep, or I would say subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, like this video and share it to your friends, right? है ना? Suggest me, बिल्कुल बच्चों, motivation मैं बता रहा हूँ, motivation is inside you. गलती कर रहे हो, बहुत अच्छी बात है. अच्छा कर रहे हो, ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस में नहीं आना, है ना? टॉपर्स मारे जाते हैं ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस में. और जो बच्चे पता है क्या होते हैं? The people who keep struggling throughout, last में वो टॉप मार जाते हैं. क्यों? They keep learning. So you have to keep learning. Learning should not stop. We'll see each other again next week. Mock paper करेंगे full science for ANTHE. Till then, take care, keep learning, and Olympiads are right next. 17th को Olympiad है, right? पहला वाला. We are preparing for that also. So subscribe to the channel, like this video. See you next time. Take care. Any doubt, any question, ask me in the comment section. We'll reply you back very soon. Right? Chalo, take care. Bye bye. Love you.